Hello everyone, welcome to Fameworld Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and in a series of Python programming, we are dealing with the multidimensional arrays. So I hope you have watched the last video, and this is the last video which you have seen. This was the last program, and if you have not watched that video, please watch it and come back because the previous video and this one is quite interconnected. So here I am just going to create one more program. I have just copied the code from the previous program, and now as we were able to reshape this particular array in the previous program, we did it that we were having this 2D array and we converted into a 1D array, then we again reshaped it into a 2D array. So firstly it was a 2 by 6, but then we reshaped it to 3 by 4. So this we have discussed in the previous program, but right now I'm just going to do something else. As you can convert one multi-dimensional array to single dimensional, and you can again reshape it to a multi-dimensional. So that time we were dealing with 2D, that is matrix. So when we are talking about 2D array, that is when we are having rows and columns, so it is 2-dimensional. We also call it matrix. We can also reshape it into a 3D array. Yes, 3-dimensional is really simple in Python. Yes, see this, I have taken ARR3, and here I am taking ARR2 dot reshape once again, but now I am taking a 3D array 2, 2, 3. So here what I have done, here this 2 is basically like it will be having, this is a one 3D array which is having two 2-dimensional array of 2 by 3 order. Mark my words, two 2-dimensional arrays of 2 by 3 order. So let me just print and show you this one. So let's print it. I'm printing ARR3 right now, and here you can see like this was a 2D array, that was a matrix. You can see 2 by 6 order, it was having 12 elements. Then we flatten it, like it's necessary to flatten any array when you are going to convert it. Again you want to reshape it. So whenever you want to change the shape, first of all it's necessary to flatten the matrix, the array, or you can say. So you can see this ARR3 is basically a 3D array. So it was having 2 brackets, it was 2D, it is having 1 bracket, it is 1 3, and it is having 3 brackets, it is 3D. So you can just identify it like this. So it is one 3D array which is having two 2-dimensional array. So this is one 2-dimensional array of 2 by 3 order, and this is another 2-dimensional array of 2 by 3 order. So here we are having two 2-dimensional array of 2 by 3 order, and it is our 3-dimensional array. So this way we can easily create 3D array with the help of NumPy module. As you can see, the whole code is in front of you. I hope you like this program. If you like this, please hit the like button. If you are having any query, put your query in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel. Stay tuned. We will see again in the next video.